What is up, guys? And today, me and M4 Fry, we're gonna
Hi.
build the Poppy Playtime grab packs. Let's get started.
We'll try.
Yeah. You want to go to stage 5 for it?
Sure, yeah. Oh, we need like 2 grapplers, right? Because I've seen people like.
Yeah.
Yeah, you need smoke bombs, I'm pretty sure. Or like smoke grenades.
Well, I don't think so.
Boom, 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 boom.
Alright. Yeah, I'll go through there, or do you want to just do it together right here? I think we should do it together.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, grapplers. I can just... You know what?
Let me get the smoke
I'm gonna
bombs
use this.
real quick.
Wait. If you put an OG backpack in here, will it save?
Yeah, I'll give you a backpack.
Okay.
Backpack, not backpack.
It's basically a
Okay,
duping glitch. I like that.
Okay, so I'm gonna start the red one.
Dynamite! It's gonna blow up. Oh. I'm gonna be a little bit inventive with mine. First, I'm gonna build the main build. This is gonna be main. Wise.
Alright.
Oh, I low-key kind of want to make a globy.
Globy? What's that?
You know what globy is?
Globy? No.
It's like a flashlight little star thing. But no, I don't. We might not be able to make it.
Okay. I'll try.
No, it's like really small, and it's a star.
Oh.
Globy will be very hard to make.
Oh, okay. I got this. Oh, I got this, chat. I'm walking the freaking.
That is perfect. That's looking perfect. Okay, I'm gonna say R.I.P. to the Bumble Club 3000, alright?
The Bumble Club 3000?
It's gone.
No! Freak you. Oh
No! My life.
Yeah. I got this.
Guys, why I'm cleaning out 2 slots is because I have a very cool thing that I want to try out. I need a research.
Bumble Club, bro.
This is gonna be so worth it though. The R.I.P.
Yeah.
Bumble Clap. Guys, put R.I.P. Bumble Clap 3000 in the comments. I'm gonna adjust it a little bit higher. That looks a little better. Oh no. What? No, 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 my grab pack. No! It's falling apart. No! No! Guys, I'm not using my grab pack responsibly. As you can see. Get over here.
I want this stick. Okay. Good. This is kind of challenging.
It is. How do even kids build these? Oh, that's
It'll be a lot easier once we put it in the
and that's completely off
safe
center.
slot.
Still off centered. And I just took off the entire hand again. How nice. Nope, too close.
Getting close to finishing.
Oh no! There goes your entire thing, bro. Hold up, be right back. Okay, never mind. Oh, dude, that just sucks. And then your whole thing just blew up.
Yes, well, not all of it. Some of it did. Okay. Nope. Okay, so oh my.
Alright, this is going to be blue hand.
Okay, now I'll be careful. What? Look at the thing first. Okay. No. No. Yes.
God, this hand.
Oh. Oh my. Okay, okay. Good, good, good. No! No. Great.
This works. Oh, hell yeah. Whee!
Hold up.
W grab pack. Hi there.
Hold up. Almost done with mine.
Look. Hi.
Hi. Okay, so that's not how you make that. That is a kind of good way.
I'm gonna make these all one item. Why I'm missing a hand is, guys, y'all see. Y'all will see. Trust me. It's gonna be great.
No! Okay, so let's...
Oh, hey, look. See, I basically just duped a backpack.
But you can't add goop to your... But you can't add goop to... No! Oh, you just ruined it.
I duped to what? Yeah, I can.
You can. Oh, my bad.
I just did.
I thought you couldn't.
And the hookshot still works. Nice.
Okay, let's freaking... There. Okay. Right there.
Okay, what's
Right
anything
there.
red that's not dynamite? Because I already know it's supposed to be one to make.
I got this. Chat.
You know what? Screw this. I'm using dynamite.
Be careful, I'm not trying to die. I don't. Yup.
Yeah. Hold up. I had to let that one explode. I'm gonna be smarter and a lot safer than you. No. I got it. Perfect. Ooh.
Okay. I finished the fingers. Let me spawn this real quick. Put this over here. Hey. You know what?
Is this so good? Yeah. Sorry.
Freaking just despawn already. Okay. Oh, no, this is...
What?
Fine. It's good. Cause we got this now.
No, screw this. I'm not doing the right hand. Like he's on fire upstairs.
It's still going off!
Run, 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 run! Alright, I'm gonna have to go and get my backpack. Alright.
Look, I made the first 10. I made the first 10.
This is AKA my blue hand, so like, yeah.
So can you put it in? Can you put this on the hand?
On mine? Here, do you want me to get you a copy of mine?
Yeah.
Let me put it on.
Wait, but you probably shouldn't use that as your blue hand. Should probably use these.
It's not letting me attach it, sorry. Here. You can keep this copy.
I told you.
Which is so sick. Wait, I could put goop in my hip slot. What?
You didn't know?
No. No, this is a way better. And I like this.
Wait, so you couldn't attach my hand?
You can
I
try.
told you.
No, where's it good?
I'll give you 2 seconds to start. 1.
No, what? Please. Please. Hold
Okay,
up. Stop.
okay.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Okay, next.
Hold up. Let me at least give me a controller. I can at least use my hook shot. Alright, here's your grab pack. I'm gonna leave with my grab pack. That'd be a grab pack though. I could have made my grab pack better actually. I'm gonna go grab some. Wait, never mind, I can't. Release it. Machine. It would have been a W red hand attachment though. Hello? Hello? Guys, I think Fry Guy didn't make it. Sorry, I'll continue boarding my grab pack responsibly. Oh my god, there's the copy. Oh, there it is. Guys, I had to go, which is very unfortunate. But yeah. So, it's just me. And I grab a pack. Let's do this. Should I use? Do unlock some stuff. Red hand. I mean, oh, wait, I could just use a bookshop. Basically, this is a bookshop. Attach some dynamite to it. Am I smart? Yes. Am I genius? Yeah. Slow keys. Yeah. Alrighty, guys. I'll see y'all later, okay? Bye.